So it's another cast iron Wednesday, and I'm finally going to get to making mountain pies. Some call them campfire pies. You do need a pie iron. I actually also have a double pie iron, but we're doing a single today because the times I'm going to give you for cooking are for the single. So this is really simple, a lot of variations, and they are awesome. First step, I'm going to preheat them. I'm going to take this apart like this, stick them in the coals and get them preheated, because then I'm going to butter them. Okay, I've preheated my irons. The first step I'm going to do is butter these down like this so they're all good and coated. That way your pies won't stick and it browns them nice. Then next part, I'm just taking regular white sandwich bread, and that actually works probably the best for this. They toast up, I think, the nicest. Now, these are sweet ones. I'm doing like pies. You can use any fruit filling that you want to use, but cherries and blueberry is probably my favorite. And we add marshmallows. You can use the big marshmallows, and if you do that, you just use one. But I have to be honest, I like these mini ones much better for this. Let me just put that here. Enough. And then I'm going to take my pie filling and put this in the middle, like this. And there are a lot of variations of these. You can do ham and cheese ones, pizza ones. You know, make these for just regular meals. I'm going to take my pie iron and hook it over. Make sure it's centered. Hook it over. I'm going to clasp it. And there, it's ready to go. We're going to put her in the fire. I typically do these in nice coals like this for 30 seconds aside with the small irons. It takes longer for the doubles. And I flip it once after 30 seconds and do the second side then for 30 seconds. And that should be about right. Oh, there we go. That's what she looks like. Put it out onto a plate here. And slice her open so you can see the goodness. Oh, look at that. Gooey melted marshmallows. All the cherry. And that is a mountain pie. You know what comes next. So once again, here it is. There you can see it. Oh, all gooey. You're still hot. I'm gonna rub. Like I said, we like these with blueberry, marshmallow. You can do apple and other fruit flavors. Those are just two of my favorites. Really good contrast of flavor with the bread toasted up like this. And the savory ones, ham and cheese and pizza ones and roast beef and cheese. You can do any kind of combination you would think, and it makes actually a fun night for an easy camping meal. So, this was a cast iron Wednesday. I made mountain pies, cherry marshmallow ones. And cast iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, and also with Shovelhead 8. Get out, use your cast iron, get cooking.